Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Camouflage push quest in Heartopia. Like when you reach hobby level 6, birdwatching hobby level 6, you will receive a new quest from Belly J. This quest introduces the Camouflage push, a special item that helps you to blend in while birdwatching. And to complete the quest, first just visit Belly J and then accept the quest, and then after that just buy the Camouflage push at the birdwatching store. And then next just try to use it. Just equip and use the camouflage bush before you start birdwatching like this. And then next just simply approach birds and perform birdwatching as usual. And the camouflage bush makes nearby birds less likely to get scared and fly away, making it much easier to observe them like this. And then after that, after you have completed all the required quest objective and every task is checked off, just return to the Belly J and submit the quest like this, and then the quest will be complete and you will receive 3 camouflage bushes as your rewards. And okay, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.